Hello guys, welcome to our new video. In this video we are gonna learn Minimal API, MediatR and Swagger implementation in Visual Studio. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna see project setup, how to install MediatR, NuGet and Swagger, and implement get query with MediatR and Minimal API get endpoint, post endpoint, and Minimal API post. Let's begin. Let's go to Visual Studio first. We create a new project here. We choose ASP.NET Core Web API. We click next. We give the name here. Alright. Click next. We don't need this. We don't need this. Since we use Minimal API, no need use controller. Alright, create. Alright, we created our project. Next we go to NuGet packages and we install MediatR. Here we choose MediatR NuGet. We choose this one. So after version 10, it's not free. It comes with the license. We can use 10. Click install. And also create MediatR extension. This one for dependency injection. We choose this one. Alright. And one more. We install NuGet package for Swagger. This one. Choose this one. Click install. Okay. Alright. We can go start coding. Let's go to program CS. Here we are gonna add MediatR service. We come here. We're gonna register MediatR builder services. Add MediatR. Okay. And we're gonna choose all assembly. It's gonna recognize all the MediatR classes. We're gonna inherit handler and command query classes with the MediatR library. Get executing assembly. It gets all related classes. Okay, we need this one. Alright. And we are gonna add Swagger services, builder services, add endpoint API Explorer to recognize the API endpoints, and builder services. Add Swagger again, Swagger for UI interface, Swagger interface. And next we add let's remove these ones. Okay, let's remove this also. We come here, we're gonna add middleware for Swagger. Use Swagger and app use Swagger UI. You know what? Okay, it's fine. So we go to Solution Explorer. We create features here for CQRS pattern for MediatR using. And we create person here, not class, folder. Person folder. Okay, let's put query object here. It's gonna be get person query. We're gonna make it record So this kind of get person query records. We just get the name here, and we inherit I request from the mediator. Okay, with the return parameter here. And next we implement handler. So in the handler we get request handler from mediator. We give the get person query parameter and return value string, and we go to class here. We implement it like this. We implement handle method. So in this method we can use get method with the entity framework DB context. We can get the data from database. Just for example, we use like this to see how does it work. So request dot name. All right, that's good. Okay, so handler is done, and next we go to program and we create here map get minimal API. We give the endpoint here. Okay, so we add parameter here like this, and we make it asynchronous delegate method. We give the name parameter and iMediator. We use mediator like this. So we use like here we're gonna get data by using mediator send method, and we send the parameter get person query and name. Okay, we use this method. Okay, map get is done like this. Okay, there are two. Next we go to post. We go here and we create the add person command. It's gonna be record. It's gonna be like this, add person command record. We're gonna have name and age parameters. We're gonna inherit I request mediator class. We're gonna use this for post. Next we create handler method, add person handler. Here in this I request handler, we inherit and we give the add person command and string return value, and we create interface implementation. We create handle method. So in the handle method, we are gonna use person. So to use the person, we need person class. We need to create person class. Person class we create. In the person class, we are gonna have these. We're gonna have these features, and here for post operation, we create person object here. Create new person. Okay, and name will be equal to request. We are gonna get it from request object, and age will be getting from request from age. Then we are gonna send it to mediator. Okay, we are in already mediator, so we just making add operation here. We created list here, and for example, people, add to the people list like this, and we are gonna return value from result like this. Person added. Alright, next we go program, and we create map post here for Minimal API. We need endpoint. It's gonna be asynchronous here. Okay. So we are gonna need new record here. But first we need to create it somewhere. This is for HTTP request. We need this record. It can be also the class or model. It's a kind of DTO. In that person command, it's gonna have string and name. Okay, we already did this. We need create person requests. We need it like this. We are gonna use it for HTTP request. Create person. Request here, and we are gonna give mediator this is gonna be parentheses, and we need lambda here for delegate, and here is our method body. So we create new command here, new add person command. We get it from request body name. So we need new record here. We need request age, and we are gonna send to mediator. We get the result and use asynchronous method mediator. We use mediator interface send method here, and we set the send command parameter. Okay, that's it, and return result. Okay, and result. Alright, we are done with all of these. Okay, so let's see what we have. We are done, but here we need to add return value here. So for the get operation, return results. Okay, and we need to return result here. So we are done. Let's try it and let's run the project. Okay, our project is running here. We go from this endpoint, we go to Swagger, we write this endpoint and we write Swagger here, just this one, and click enter and Swagger comes. Okay, let's try this one, try it out, write some name here. Okay, we have breakpoint, click continue. Okay, as you see, it's working. It returned the string value here. It's working. Next, let's try add person, and here write something and click execute. Alright, as you see, handler method and post minimal API working. It returned this value. Alright, so simply mediator and minimal API get and post are these, as you see. Hope you like it. If you like video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.